Hi, this is Craig Joubert, and I'm always happy to share some marbling with you guys. On this occasion, I'm going to be doing a print from my book, the How to Use Rakes with Marbling for Fun. It's going to be the fern this time. The fern is a beautiful pattern, very simple to do with the tools that we provide on our website, or you can make them yourself. So the fern, at the top of the page, you'll notice it says you will need a 1 inch and a 2 inch rake. So that's exactly what we're going to do. And it'll take you through every step by step with pictures to show you what you're doing and what's coming next. So it's a very simple process. So we're going to do that, but on this occasion we're going to be marbling a bird box, something very different. So wonderful things to do for summer. And this is a simple bird box I got from a leisure centre, and it's very, very inexpensive, about $3.99 or so. So I've sanded it down because you don't know what the wood has been treated with. I've allumed the wood. Okay, that alum, it comes within the kits that we provide online at marblingforfun.net. And basically you use some masking tape. And the masking tape, you're simply masking out one face per design. So what I've done is you can see I've masked all the way around. Just to give you an understanding, we simply take the item, you take the masking tape, and you go all the way around the edges to show off one face. So the masking tape just blocks out areas you don't want to marble, and that masking tape will just keep that paint from getting onto the actual wood. So we're going to concentrate on this face. If there are any holes, like obviously it's a bird box, we mask the inside of that hole so that the water doesn't flow into the area. Okay, so we're going to concentrate on this area. I'm going to design a fern design from our book on page 31. And that's the idea for today. So basically we're going to draw some lines, and I've mixed some of my favorite colors, and of these colors you can mix and make all sorts of beautiful colors. So we're going to have a little bit of mustard, we're going to have a little bit of emerald green, which is a stunning color. We're going to have some fuchsia. Fuchsia is a beautiful color as well. Now if the paint decides to sink for some reason, that area I've just put too much paint on, you can blow it back up and that avoids it sinking. So that's a trick of the trade. So we'll continue with our lines. And your designs are going to be very different to mine, but everyone's designs is completely unique and lovely works of art. So they're all completely beautiful works of art. It doesn't matter how you... This is just a basic design, which obviously we teach step by steps in our book, but the results are always going to be fantastic. So we've got some lines. I'm going to do some violet, which is one of my favorite colors. It's a stunning, stunning color. And we're basically just building up contrast. The contrast is fairly important to create a pattern. Now the wood is a creamy color, so the creamy colors, you'll see the grain of the wood. And that's also quite useful. There we go. Let's come to the surface again. Now we're going to use our 1 inch rake first, and we're going to drag the paint away or towards, it depends on what direction you want to go, and that comes down. Then we're going to go in between and back up again, which creates a 1 chevron pattern, which is always a beautiful pattern. I love that design. And then with the 2 inch rake, we're going to go right across. Now it's depending on where you want to go, but it's going to give you a beautiful pattern. There we have it. So a couple of strokes with your high-tech tools, which are our rakes if we sell on our website if you'd like to purchase, or you can make your own, as I said. Now, to take the box, again, we want to avoid air pockets if possible. But if there's an air pocket, you can always use it for an additional design. So it's a case of now submerging this, and I'm going to probably start on this side and move it down to this side. So as you can see, the pattern is beautiful. It's a case of, do I want to go this way? Or do I want the design to go this way? Again, that's entirely up to you. Now, I'm going to be using the same colors to do the other sides of the box. So you'll have a continued pattern all the way around the box. But on this occasion, we'll just show you one. But we'll continue this video with still pictures showing you how I did the rest. Right. So what's it going to be? I think this side is going to be stunning. So we're going to do it from an angle. And of course the masking tape keeps the design from spilling over the sides. So now I can take my masking tape off, and there's one side done, which looks fantastic. Now once the print is dry, then you can varnish it and obviously preserve the wood as well as the print, and that obviously will be wonderful for outdoors. Rain, come shine, come hail, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to be a permanent design. And that's how we do a bird box. Right, so we're going to continue this video, and you'll see the end product at the end. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.